Hello, I'm going to show you how to make Hua Juan. Hua Juan is a type of Chinese steamed bread. It has the shape of a flower. Firstly, weight out 200 grams of plain flour or strong white bread flour and 125 ml of lukewarm water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 grams of a fast-action dry yeast to the flour. Pour the water in, mix everything well with a spatula to form a smooth dough. Once you formed it to a dough, leave it in the bowl. Cover the bowl with a lid and leave it in a warm place to rise for 1 hour or until it has doubled in size like this. Prepare some spring onion. If you don't like spring onion, you can replace it with some Chinese fried spices. Slice the spring onion to thin strips and then slice the strips to small pieces. Once it is done, put it aside to use later. Prepare a few pieces of non-sticky baking sheet and then prepare an area to work. Take the dough out of the bowl. If it's too sticky, dust some dry flour. Remove all the dough stuck on the wall of the bowl. Start to knead the dough gently until the dough looks smooth. Dust some dry flour on the worktop. Put the dough on it. Flatten the dough slightly with hands. And then flatten the dough further with a rolling pin. To make a flat sheet about ½ centimeter thick. Dust some flour on the dough. Flatten it further. Fold the dough sheet to a rectangle and then flatten it with a rolling pin. And to form a rectangle shape and thin dough sheet about 5mm thick. And then sprinkle some salt on the top, just a little pinch of salt on the top. Spread out evenly. And then pour some oil on top. Here I used olive oil, but you can use any your preferred oil, olive oil, sesame seeds oil, or vegetable oil. And then just spread out the oil evenly on the dough sheet. You can also sprinkle some Chinese 5 spices or sesame seeds on the top to give a more flavor. And then once it's ready, and I'll put some spring onion pieces I prepared earlier on the top and spread them out evenly. Fold the dough in 3 equal sort of a length. And then I divided it into smaller portions, and it's about 5 centimeters wide for each portion. Once it's done, I put 2 on top of each other. The last bit, I just put all of the pieces together. And then I use a stick, a chopstick, put in the middle, press down, and then use a hand, hold two ends, twist and fold the end to the bottom. And now you have got a flower shaped bread. And then put it on the baking sheet you already prepared earlier, and carry on, do the same process until all the dough are finished. It's quite easy. You just stick down in the middle and then twist the two ends, holding two ends and twist, and put an end in the bottom and to make a flower shape. See, that's how it works. Once finished making all the Hua Juan, arrange them in a bamboo steamer with some gap in between. Make sure here's plenty of space between each other. Yeah, just like this. Put a lid on and wait for Hua Juan to rise for 15 minutes, like this. And then put a Hua Juan in a metal steamer with about 2 pints of cold water, and then put a Hua Juan on a metal rack to steam on high heat for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and then open the lid. Now Hua Juan is ready to serve. I cooked a king prawn, stir-fried king prawn dish to go with Hua Juan. King prawn stir-fried is mushroom and bacon. Enjoy. Yum yum.